Reddit. So we've all heard of Reddit. It's the front page of the internet, right? So if you go to Reddit right now, you'll see that most of those posts have been viral, okay? And the idea is to get you to promote your products on Reddit without paying a dime. So how do you do that, right? So you have to keep in mind that how Reddit works. So Reddit has So they have the main page, right? Now they also have something called the subreddit. So you can go there by going to Reddit and searching it up. That's option number one. Or you can just click on your thing and you'll be able to see it right here. So for example, there is a subreddit for entrepreneurs, motivation, whatever you do, they have a subreddit for that. Now, what I want you to do is at least get on Reddit, okay? And then first you have to earn what you call karma points before you can post, just to make sure that you are not a spammer. So what you need to do is create a Reddit account. Then you need to contribute, meaning you have to comment around, like good comments, right? So for example, create an account, go to your favorite subreddit and just start commenting on posts. For example, if somebody's posting about this and that, just post what you think, your opinion, whatever you want, okay? Post it, and keep in mind that you don't really have to respond back, because Reddit people on Reddit, you're gonna see a lot of people that they might attack you and things like that. That's okay. That's just internet for you if you didn't know. Don't panic, okay? Just let it be. Just post good content and good advice and you are set, okay? Now, once you keep doing that for a while, like let's say 15-20 days, once in a while, then you should earn enough karma points or cookie points that other people can give you for having an opinion, and if they like it, they'll upvote you, right? So you have those karma points, right? And then, for example, I have 28 karma points. Not a lot, right? You don't need a lot. You just need like 10-15. Now, once you have that, that gives you an ability to create your own post. Now, what I want you to do is create a post, and keep in mind that you're not really trying to promote openly, but what you can do is make a post where you teach something. For example, okay, let's say on entrepreneurship, you could go ahead and make a post where you're teaching people something good, adding value to people's lives, okay? And once you do that, if people like it, they will upvote you, and then your post could get viral. And if it does fly off to the front of the page of the Reddit, you're gonna get so many leads, you're gonna get so many followers on your social media, and that will boost your business. Let me show you an example right here. So I'm gonna head over to my profile right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and put myself here on the side so I can show you my post. Now, I'm gonna show you a really cool example. Now, take a look at this. Now, how to get things done. Now, this is a infographics that I created on my iPad. It didn't take me too long. It took me, 10-15 minutes. Now, once I posted it, it did get some upvotes. Now, this brought me more followers on my Instagram. So it does have a positive outlook when you post good content on Reddit. Now, another one, same thing. So once you post something, make sure you actually add value to people's life, and you can go ahead and advertise yourself, but make sure it's subtle. For example, right here, I put my Instagram handle right here on the right. So people, if they like it, they might search me up, and then I might get more followers on my Instagram or YouTube or other venues as well. It's that simple, okay? That's all. You just have to help people out. So try Reddit, because Reddit, if a post gets super popular, you might be on the front page of the internet, and that is going to bring you a lot of attention, and you could use that attention for a good cause, or you could use it for a bad cause. I recommend do something good with it. Okay, does that make sense? So yeah, try using Reddit and implement that on your lead generation plan and for you and your clients, and you could see a lot of new people who actually are out there looking for you. I told you. So go here, click on search, and find for example, you can go to life hacks, entrepreneurships, trading, whatever you do, there is a subreddit for that. So it's simple as that. So yeah, try it out, try Reddit as a part of your lead generation plan. Thank you so much, and keep in mind, if you want more tips and tricks on lead generation, make sure to subscribe today, and on the comments, comment if I'm missing something, or if you have a question about the Reddit lead generation idea. Thank you so much.